When we have contextual well-being, we have an opportunity to engage with the world with capability and capacity, with motivation and a desire to be part of the world and to engage and to learn. So in many ways, having contextual well-being is an essential part of teaching and learning. It's a foundation for academic education and indeed a foundation for all types of education, be that social and emotional learning, be that about learning to get along with friends or learning math or any other subject. Well-being is all about capacity, capability, and being connected to what you're doing.
By being able to understand the brain and how it works, educators will be able to adapt teaching activities in the most effective way possible. Comprehending the different components of holistic education, including the cognitive and the emotional aspect, will enable students to reach their full potential.
One way that education in neuroscience can be applied is by looking at learning in 3 stages. So we look at what we call the engagement phase that starts learning, building, and then consolidation. And we can look at what research tells us about these 3 steps in the whole learning process. If we look at engagement, the engagement stage in learning shows us how different sensory stimuli, emotions, and even memories can engage our brains towards learning and so improve our executive functions and attention and make us be there for learning, literally. Then the second stage, the buildings, look at how basically we build information, how we present it, the questioning and assessment techniques, and how these things can be used so that students combine pre-existing knowledge with new material. And we can look at this by studying working memory networks, by looking at the prefrontal areas of the brain, and it can tell us more about how information is built. The last step, and also very important, is consolidation. So there we look at how learning shifts from frontal regions of the brain to more long-lasting memories, and how we can make it easier to retrieve information, and ultimately for the students to be able not just to retrieve the information, but also apply it and transfer that learning to new situations.